Best Needle Felting Kit Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular needle felting tools in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this needle felting kit so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this set of tools. The one that made our list is the Maybu's Needle Felting Kit. This kit includes 40 different colored wool yarns that each comes with its own reusable bag. This is a really comprehensive kit that also includes bells, scissors, finger cots, and a foam pad. The tools are packed in a transparent plastic case so that it's easy to manage and carry around. Other than needle felting, you can also use this set for wet and dry felting, wool painting, jewelry making, soap making, and more. To check out the full specs of the Maybu's Needle Felting Kit and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/feltingkit. Here's a quick demo of how easy it is to use this needle felting set. So there you have it, the Maybu's Needle Felting Kit. Considering its ease of use, how comprehensive this set is, and the quality of the material, we feel that this set is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Maybu's Needle Felting Kit and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/feltingkit. Alright, thank you for watching.